Hey guys, this is John, and today I will be doing a tutorial of how to replace the LCD of your iPod 3rd generation or 2nd generation. So here's the tools that you will need. Right here I have the digitizer, brand new one. And right here I'm going to be working on my iPod 3rd generation. I have a cracked screen right there. You can't really see it unless you turn it on, and some weird thing happened. It kind of looks like the white screen of death for the people that are familiar with this, but I think it's a little bit different. So I'm going to try to replace the LCD screen, and as you can see right there, there's a crack. So this is what you'll have to do. First, you'll need to wait up, I'll turn it off. Well, I don't know. First, you'll have to open this bag. And take out this tool right here. With this tool, you will be taking off the LCD screen of your iPod. Yeah, you'll have to first, if you're just taking apart your iPod, you'll have to pick up this metal tape right here, or you could ruin it even worse. So you take it off, and you have to pick the LCD screen up gently and slowly. So you gently pick it up like this. And then there is 7 screws right here that you'll have to remove. I already did this beforehand, and I already removed it. Once the screws are removed, you're supposed to remove this ribbon that connects to the LCD screen. I'll make it up close. Looks like that right there. So I'm going to be popping it up right now. It's pretty easy to pop up. Just make sure you don't mess up any other part of the iPod. Well, next you will have to remove these clips right here. After you are able to, when you remove the clips, you're going to be able to remove this metal board. Now, when you do this part right here, you have to be very gentle. Like right here, as you can see, the LCD screen came right off. I'm going to put it down. And this is what you have left. Right here. So I'm going to take the new LCD screen that I have right here. Going to take it out. Now I'm going to have to be very careful not to damage this one. Pick this up. So if you see what I'm doing here, I'm sliding that under. I'm sliding this ribbon cable under this board where the battery is. So I push it all the way down so later you'll be able to put the metallic tape onto this LCD screen. So now you see that now you have to attach this part back to where it was before. Like that. So it holds in place. Then you pick this up, the LCD screen, and you have to snap all the clips back into place. Then you're going to have to put the screws back in, put the LCD screen down, and right now I'm going to check if the LCD screen works. Yes, as you can see, it works perfectly. So that is how you replace an LCD screen. Thanks for watching.